In this video, you'll learn how to send a follow-up email in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the Mailchimp interface and successfully send a follow-up email to your subscribers. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL directly into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, ensure that you're on the Mailchimp home screen where the dashboard is visible. Next, locate and click on the campaigns option in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the campaign section where you can view all your existing campaigns, look for the campaign that you want to follow up on, and click on its name to open the campaign details. After selecting the desired campaign, find and click on the To section within the campaign editor. This action allows you to specify the recipients of your follow-up email. You should now see options for selecting your audience. Click on All Email Subscribers to choose this audience for your follow-up email. It is important to confirm that this selection matches your intended recipients, ensuring that your follow-up reaches the correct audience. Once you've selected your audience, click on the Save button to save your selection. A confirmation message may appear briefly indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. Now proceed to the From section by clicking on it. Here you will set the sender information for your email. This section should now display options for entering your sender name and email address. Click on the email address field to input the email address from which you want the follow-up email to be sent. Ensure that this address is recognizable to your subscribers to increase the chances of your email being opened. After entering the email address, click on the Save button again to confirm your changes. A message will typically appear indicating that your information has been saved. Next, click on the subject line to specify the subject of your follow-up email. This is a crucial element as it influences whether your email will be opened by recipients. Enter your desired subject line in the provided field. It is advisable to keep the subject concise and relevant to the content of the follow-up. Once you've typed in the subject, click on the Preview Text section to add a brief description that may accompany your subject line. This additional text can provide further context to your recipients. Type in your follow-up message in the designated area. Consider encourages engagement or provides valuable information related to the previous communication. After composing your message, click on the Save button to ensure all your changes are recorded. This action is essential to avoid losing any updates you have made. Continue by clicking on the Send Time option to set when you want the email to be delivered. You may choose to send it immediately or schedule it for later time. Select the Send Now button to initiate the sending process. A prompt may appear to confirm your choice, indicating the email is ready to be sent. After confirming, click on the Save option to finalize your sending settings. This step ensures that all configurations are stored prior to sending. Click on the Send button to initiate the delivery of your follow-up email. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are ready to send the email. Review the message confirming the recipients and details of your email. This confirmation is vital to ensure accuracy before proceeding. In the final step, click on the Send Now button again to confirm your action. You should see a message indicating that your email has been successfully scheduled or sent. Finally, a message will appear stating, "Nice job, your email is sending." This confirms that your follow-up email is on its way to your subscribers.